Today we have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This vehicle has done just over 58,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, media, radio, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior with our 2 rear entertainment screens and a panoramic roof.